Hello, today we're going to do part 2 of section 2.3, translating English to math. When solving application problems, it is important to be able to translate verbal statements into mathematical ones. The following table helps us keep things in order. So the inequality less than has some keywords like less than, smaller than, a sample word statement might be 3 is smaller than 5. Then we would write in symbols 3 less than 5. For the greater than inequality, the keywords are more than and greater than. For example, 9 is more than negative 3. So in symbols, that would be 9 greater than negative 3. Now it's the less than or equal to or greater than or equal to that have some phrases and keywords that trip some people up. There are the straightforward ones like less than or equal to. But you can also say no more than or at most. All those phrases mean less than or equal to. For example, if 4 is less than or equal to 7, that would mean 4 less than or equal to 7. Or 7 is no more than 9, that 7 is less than or equal to 9. Greater than or equal to has greater than or equal to, at least, and no less than. For example, 7 is at least 2. So that means 7 is greater than or equal to 2. Not equal to then has the keywords of not equal to and different from. For example, negative 1 is different from eight. And in symbols, that'd be negative 1, not equal to 8. So using this for the following example, we want to translate each of these phrases and then solve the inequality. So number 1, 23 greater than b is at least negative 276. So this one's trying to be a little tricky because it says 23 greater than b. That doesn't mean the greater than sign. It would have to say 23 is greater than b to mean the greater than sign. This actually means b plus 23. 23 greater than b. Then it says is at least. So at least, remember, was the key word for greater than or equal to negative 276. And now we solve this. So we subtract 23 from both sides, subtract 23. Get b is greater than or equal to negative 299. So the keyword here that we're looking for is it will use a keyword like is to indicate that that's going to be the inequality. 82 less than r is less than negative 164. So 82 less than r, that means r minus 82, because it doesn't say is less than. But this says is less than, so that will be the inequality less than negative 164. So then we add 82 to both sides. Add 82. And we get r is less than negative 82. And then finally, part 3, negative 46 times y is no more than, that remember means is less than or equal to, and there we see the word is again, 276. So now we divide both sides by negative 46. And we get y, because we divided by a negative, greater than or equal to. Positive divided by a negative is negative. And I believe that equals negative 6. So be careful with these ones in Newton. Sometimes less than means subtract. Sometimes it means the less than symbol, depending on the keyword is. And that's it for part 2 of section 2.3.